Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a very short video on a very simple graph question where you're asked to graph a function where the variables are expressed parametrically. Now, it's a very easy one, but it does kind of give you the idea of how you should proceed. Okay, there are the parametric expressions that x equals t squared plus 2t and y equals t minus 1. Now, the usual practice is to find t. And that works most of the time, unless it gets a really bit nasty. But let's see if it works here. Let's just try it. So many things, if you just try, it may help. It may not, in which case you do something else. Let's find t. So let's take, call that equation 2 and that equation 1. So let's rearrange 2 so that t equals y plus 1. Now let's see how that helps us. So in equation 1, I'm going to say x equals, now t is y plus 1 squared plus 2 times y plus 1. And kind of helps, but let's rearrange that. And I won't do all of the steps, but let's just find the answer. Now, maybe that helps, maybe it doesn't. I think it does, because if the two variables were swapped around, then you'd know that it was a parabola. Okay, if the x and y are swapped around. So what we're saying there is if x equals y, you know about that. You know about that because x equals y is a line like that. X equals y, or y equals x. And so if these two variables were swapped around, then you would know that it would be a parabola. But they're swapped around, so it's a reflection that's something like this. It's a sideways parabola, like that. Okay, so you intuitively know how to do it. You will draw the original one, y equals x squared plus 4y plus 3, and then you could just reflect it in the line y equals x. Perfect. Let's look at a beautiful picture of it. There it is there, and it's got a vertex there. Now remember, if you're going to sketch it using Desmos, you could have written it as we ended up with. You could have written it as x equals y squared plus 4y plus 3. You could have written it that way, or you could have written it using the original parametric expression. Now I've just made my slide a negative 10 to 10 just so I could get a decent enough graph, but that's the way you would do it. Okay, thanks for watching.